In this video, I'm going to be going over how to add shortcode in WordPress step by step. Adding a shortcode to a WordPress page is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your shortcode added in WordPress. Let's get started. I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. For this tutorial, I'll be using a shortcode from the WPForms contact form. The steps are the same no matter what kind of shortcode you're wanting to add to your WordPress page. In the left side menu, I'll click on WPForms. You'll see the shortcode listed here. I'll copy the shortcode. Next, I'll click on Pages in the left side menu. I'll click Edit for the contact page, as this is the WordPress page I want to add the contact form shortcode for. On the editor for the page, I'll click the plus icon to add a block. I'll type in the search field shortcode. Select shortcode. I'll paste in my shortcode here. I'll click the update button at the top of the page to save my changes. I'll click the view page tab to bring up a view of my page. You'll see the shortcode for the contact form has now been added to the page. You now know how to add shortcodes in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.